Looking for a reliable truck? Check out this 2010 Toyota Tundra Double Cab with only 49,000 miles. One owner, clean Carfax, and dealer service history. It's been recently serviced with over $880 in work, including a fresh oil change and radiator cap replacement. This truck comes with a dealer-certified pre-owned warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles and a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. You can even upgrade to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. With a clean bill of health from recent computer scans, no dash lights, and current Georgia state emissions, this Tundra is ready to go. We encourage pre-purchase inspections for your peace of mind. Act fast. Price reductions will void the CPO status. Visit us today and drive away with confidence.